Here we are taking a look at EVP2 on the euro currency. This is one of the strategies in the low frequency portfolio. You can see it was in today at 135.08. Good entry, good momentum breakout today. We've made as high as 135.86. This strategy gets in between 8 a.m. and 10 a.m. Central Time, or that would be 9 and 11 Eastern Time. So it only takes entries on EVP2 in the first 2 hours, starting at 8 a.m. Central or 9 a.m. Eastern Time. So we got this good trade going. Take a look at the last 2 years on this. I've got it set up. This is the last 2 years. It includes $25 slippage and commission. As you can see here, pretty good results. $59 average profit per trade after $25 slippage and commission is taken out. We have a very tight stop loss of $300, so sometimes this number, percentage of profitability, will be low, and you make sure that you don't ever have any big losers on this with that tight stop loss. And take a look. There's the equity curve. It's done pretty good. I want to take a look also at some other options, some of the things you can do on this strategy for the for this. We have two different additional options. One is the profit target. One of the profit targets has been working well is $300. $200 and $400 have also worked well. So let's take a look at the results on that. Last 2 years, the results are better using your profit target. The drawdown is less. Percent of profitability goes up to 64% from 36%, and you get another almost $2,000 total net profit. The performance graph is really good, and this is inclusive of $25 slippage and commission. On a day like today, you would have already taken your profit target. You may miss some big winners, but one of the options you could do in a strategy like this is to trade one contract with the profit target and one contract where you let it run till the end of the day. So the way this thing exits, if you don't have the profit target, is it gets out at 2 o'clock Eastern Time, 1 o'clock Central, or it also has a $400 break-even stop loss. So if you get $400 of profit, it moves the stop loss up to break-even from $300, and it also has a $700 trailing stop loss. So those are some of the options. Another additional option you can look at is the trend filter. We have a trend filter on this, and by the way, you can trade this on forex as well as futures. And so the trend filter, if you turn that on, you put that as a 1 and you turn the trend filter on, and it will take long trades if it's above a moving average, and short trades only if it's below the moving average. So without the trend filter, it doesn't look at the moving average to bias whether the trend is up or down. It just takes long or short trades based on other criteria and doesn't add that additional criteria. So when we turn the trend filter on, we keep the profit target on, we take a look, and it doesn't, taking a look at this, it doesn't do as well in the last couple of years, but it's still not bad. The average profit per trade is higher, the percentage of profitability is still high, and the equity curve is more or less flat over the last year. And so those are some options you can play with. You can change the profit target, you can change the trend filter, you can come up with different combinations. You can trade it on the futures and you can trade it on the forex. And I wanted to give you that update because it's been a while. And if you have the profit target version, you're out today with a profit. If you do not have the profit target, your contract that's not trading with a profit target is still in the trade, and it's either going to have a $700 trailing stop loss at this point because we've made a high of 135.86 with an entry of 135.08. So yeah, we've got the trailing stop loss in, so it could run until the end of the day, or it could give quite a bit back. So that's where we're at on this trade for the day, and a little bit more on how that EVP2 strategy works.